My attitude towards cooking is that it should be fun, it should be creative, and it should celebrate the purpose of life, which is to be happy. Speaking about being happy, how about some pork and beans? Certainly can't be good for you, but hey, let's have some fun making it anyway. A can of beans, and as you know, beans really is very good for you. Lots of fiber, and it is so inexpensive. So, we start off with a can of beans. Then the pork. I happen to use 1.7 ounces of pork in this recipe, but hey, if you like pork, add a lot more. The pork, by the way, is your common salt pork. It can be found in every single grocery store. By the way, have you ever opened a can of pork and beans and there simply was not enough pork and the flavor left a lot to be desired? Well, this is how you make your own. I cut up the pork in little bite-sized pieces and then I put it in the microwave oven for about a minute and a half because I don't really want the fat, I just want the flavor. Now is the time to get creative. I put about 2, maybe 3 tablespoonfuls of this cheap, original sweet barbecue sauce. I suppose I could have used molasses or sugar, but this worked just fine for me and I liked the flavor. Then in the pot it goes. 1 can of bean, I pour the whole can in, the salt pork, and my little barbecue flavor. And that's it. No salt. You don't really need salt. Then simmered for about an hour and a half. Wow. Voila. There you have it. Your own pork and beans. And it's as delicious as you want it to be because you were as creative as you wanted to be. You added just a can of beans, the amount of pork that you like, salt pork that is, and voila. Bon appetit.